Hi everyone, I'm Matt, a product expert here at Urmet UK, and today I'm unboxing our touchscreen entry panel, Onyx. Let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the installation manual. This guides you through the mounting and installation of the Onyx entry panel and outlines the physical features and technical specifications of the device. Taking the manual out, we now get our first glimpse of the Onyx itself. It's protected with cardboard packaging at either end and wrapped in a clear plastic bag. Removing the packaging, we now get our first full look at the Onyx. You'll see that the front of the panel is protected by a clear plastic film with the MAC address attached to it. Onyx arrives as standard with its flush housing. Separating the two, you can see the terminals and fixing screws supplied inside the flush box, along with the separate mounting frame for both flush and surface installation. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. If you'd like to find out more about our touchscreen entry panel Onyx, you can either click the link at the top of the screen or get in touch with us at support@urmet.co.uk.